When Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam was entering Mecca at the time of the victory of Mecca, Quraysh, you know what they did? They killed the Muslims. They stole the land. They stole the property. They troubled them for so many years. When the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam looked at them, he asked them, "What do you think I'm going to do to you today?" He was powerful. He had 100,000 plus with him as Muslimin. He said, "What do you think I'm going to do to you today?" They were all quiet. They know what they did. He says, "Idhabu fa antumut tulaqa." You can go. All of you are free. La tathriba alaykumul yawm. I will tell you exactly what the Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam told his brothers. Go, for indeed you are all free today. No retribution. It's okay. Forgiven, and let's go. We need to move forward. May Allah Almighty strengthen us. May He allow us to learn lessons.